What's up, LOWE-RIDAS? Welcome back to another video. So tonight I decided to make the Tik Tok egg boil ramen, and I'm going to record it for y'all. So here we go. I got all of my seasonings over here, which I have my Old Bay, cayenne, I believe, lemon pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, Cajun seasoning, and red pepper flakes. I have a lemon. I also decided to add some turkey smoked sausage. I have some shrimp over here, onion, of course my noodles, and my eggs, and some chopped garlic. Alright, let's get to making this boil, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I've added in my 2 sticks of butter. I added my onion and my garlic. I also added in a little bit of this butter as well, about a tablespoon, just a little bit. Let that come to a boil, and then we're going to add our seasonings. Alright, y'all, so now that we got it boiling, let's add these seasonings. Dump all of that in there. Then if you are using shrimp, you can go ahead and add those as well. I am using the wild-caught Argentinian shrimp by Private Selection. I believe I got these at Kroger. So good. They are a buttery lobster taste and texture. Amazing. Alright, y'all. Ooh, look at that. So now I am going to add my hot sauce because we like spice over here. So I am just going to shake some hot sauce in this thing. Alright, y'all, so now that we have our eggs in, I'm going to go ahead and add my sausage, shrimp, and the sauce. Alright, you guys, so this is it. This is how my ramen egg boil turned out. It looks so good. It looks delicious. So I'm just going to squeeze my lemon in there and take a bite.